All right, here we go. Let us solve for y in number 7. All right, looking at the side splitter theorem. So I always say compare this side to this side here. Okay, so I'm going to make a proportion 12 over y, a ratio of the yellow, equal to a ratio of the green, just like that. You could have also done y over 12 equals 6 over 10. All right, I could have done 12 over 10 equals y over 6, as long as I stay consistent. All right, as long as I'm consistent here. Cross multiply, I get 10y. Well, let's do that down here. 10y equals 72, y equals 7.2. All right, number 8. Number 8, again, little side splitter. I got the left equal to the right. So I can go 9 over x plus 3 equals 4 over x minus 2. Cross multiply and get 9 times x minus 2 equals 4 times x plus 3. Distribute the 9, distribute that 4. 9x minus 18 equals 4x plus 12. Wow. Here we go, 2 steps at once. Add the 18 to both sides. Subtract the 4x to get 5x equals 30. So x equals 6. Wow, that was a good one. All right, so if I plug that in here, this is a side length of 9. If I plug that in here, this is a 4. Okay? So if I want to solve for y, I can do this in 2 different ways. I can set up a proportion. All right, I can set up a proportion. I know that the 7 corresponds with y, but I also notice that I have 2 similar triangles here. I have the big one and I have the small one. The small one has the 7 that goes with the y. Okay, now I want to pick a side length. All right, a side length of my smaller triangle, of my yellow triangle. So I'm going to go with the 4. Well, the 4 corresponds to this whole entire side. Not just the 4, but the whole thing, F to J. And that whole entire side has a length of 8. Okay, that has a length of 8. I could have also done 9 over 18 as well. Either way, I should recognize, hey, look at that ratio. 4 over 8 is a half, so y has to be 14. You know, sometimes this came up in my class as well. If I notice that this is 9 and 9, and this is 4 and 4, then this will be, then y will be, then 7 will be half of y. All right, that is true. That's something from first semester, if you remember that. If not, that's all right. Don't worry about it. Okay, let's look at number 9 now. Let's solve for a. I know that this whole length is 24. I know that this piece is 15. So what is the length of this piece? Well, I'd have to do 24 minus 15 to get 9. Now I could set this up as a over 20 equals 9 over 15. It looks like an A. Then cross multiply. 15A equals 180. So A equals 12. All right, now I could have set it up as like Miss Logus in the key put like A plus 20, where it was this whole side corresponding with the 24, and it'll be 20 over A plus 20 equals 15 over 24. That works too. I like this better, so I just want to stick with that for now. All right, let's give this next one a shot. A little more algebra on this one. So I got the left side here equal to the ratio on the right. All right, so my left side is 9 over x minus 8. My right side is x over 1. Cross multiply. x times x minus 8 equals 9. So then I get x squared minus 8x equals 9. I do have to factor this a little bit. X squared minus 8x minus 9 equals 0. So I had two numbers that multiply to negative 9 and add to negative 8. I get x minus 8, x plus 1 equals 0. So x equals 9 and x equals negative 1. The question always comes up, how do I know which one works? Well, if I plug in negative 1 here, I cannot have a negative side length, so I can toss that one out. So x has to be 9. All right, I'm going to pause there, pick it up on the next one.